In the UC Berkeley greenhouse, you'll find one of the coolest plants on the planet, the Venus flytrap. At first glance, it just looks like a spiky little green mouth, but here's the wild part: the flytrap can actually count. Each trap has tiny trigger hairs inside. When a bug comes in for the sweet nectar and touches those hairs twice, within about 20 seconds, snap, the trap shuts faster than you can blink. Let's meet the Butterwort. At first, it doesn't even look like a carnivorous plant, just flat, soft, succulent leaves. But get closer, you'll see they're covered in shiny droplets, almost like a dew. That's actually super sticky stuff that lures in gnats and mosquitoes. The moment a bug lands, it's stuck like a flypaper. Once trapped, the butterwort slowly releases enzymes, dissolving the bug. Next up, the sundews. Those shiny drops aren't dew, they are sticky traps. In this time lapse, watch ants get stuck as tentacles curl in tighter with every move. Then, enzymes dissolve them into food. Unlike Venus flytrap's quick snap, sundews trap prey in slow motion. Meet the Roridula gorgonias, the gorgon stew stick. Its leaves are covered in super sticky resin, so sticky it can trap big flies like this one. But here's the twist: Roridula doesn't actually digest its prey. Instead, assassin bugs come in, eat the trapped insects, and their nutrient-rich waste feeds the plant. It's basically outsourcing digestion. That's why it's called a proto-carnivorous plant.